Everyone, my name is Kashyap Bhadani and I'm going to present my research about antibiotic content and antimicrobial properties of cider and local wildflower honey. So let's get started with some background info on honey and its properties. The properties of honey mainly depends on the floral resources that bees use to make honey. There have been concerns about use of antibiotic to treat bacterial disease like European and American foul brood in apiculture. In this experiment, we determined the antibacterial properties of honey and we also analyzed the honey samples for antibiotic residues. We started this research by determining zone of inhibition to find out if both the honeys were effective in inhibiting the growth of bacteria. After that, we moved on to determine that what was the minimum concentration of honey that inhibits the growth of the bacteria. After finding that minimum inhibitory concentration, we moved on to determine if those antibacterial properties were due to the presence of antibiotics. We did this by cleaning samples using SPE and analyzed them using UPLC. The ZOI results showed zones produced in both honeys, but they were not significantly larger than the control. If you look in figure 1C, it shows that ZOI results in P. aeruginosa. The disk is observed under UV light and the bacteria is fluorescing because it is believed that this is due to the presence of a bluish green pigment called pyocyanin. MIC results showed that E. coli was most susceptible to local honey, whereas S. enterica was most susceptible to cider honey. The significance is indicated by A, which is for E. coli, B is for S. enterica, and C is for P. aeruginosa. The significance is compared with the control group of each bacteria, which is shown in figure 2. UPLC results showed no presence of antibiotic in either of the honey, but the spike sample confirmed the detecting ability of both antibiotics. This results indicate that the concentration and type of honey affect the susceptibility of gram-negative bacteria. Further studies should be performed to investigate the antimicrobial effects of gram-positive bacteria, and other varieties of honey should be investigated for the presence of antibiotics. Thank you.